The next is the cardiac muscles. As its name indicates, these muscles are present in the heart, or the heart is being made up of cardiac muscles. And these cardiac muscles are present in the heart, and these cardiac muscles are having cross striations like skeletal muscles. So these stripped or striated muscles are number one skeletal muscles and number two cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles are also stripped or striated muscles. And third, these are striated muscles but not supplied by the somatic nerves. They are being supplied by autonomic nerves. That's why these are also involuntary. The cardiac muscle are the activity of the heart. We cannot move or stop according to our will, but it is under the control of the nervous system, of course, but not under control of the will. And the cardiac muscles are again do not fatigue at all. And you know, because if the cardiac muscles get fatigued, then the problem is much more. So the skeletal muscles are powerful, but they get fatigued. The smooth muscles do not fatigue, and the cardiac muscles do not fatigue at all. Okay. Now the cardiac muscles cells are, you know, it is broad cells as compared to the smooth muscle cells. And it is again uninucleated. The skeletal muscles are multinucleated, but it is having cross striations present in it like the skeletal muscles. And then another special characteristic is that the cardiac muscle cells, they branch, while the skeletal muscle cells, they do not branch. And then another characteristic of the cardiac muscle is that it is having intercalated disc in it, which is not present in the smooth the skeletal muscles. So the cardiac muscle is having the special characteristic that it is being made up of broad, shorter cells with branching and uninucleated and having intercalated disc. And then it do not fatigue at all. And this is involuntary. It is stripped muscles are striated but involuntary. Okay. And then it is supplied by autonomic nervous system, and out of autonomic nervous system, the sympathetic increases the heart rate, while the parasympathetic decreases the heart rate. And then the sympathetic is generally all over the body in the blood vessels. It is vasoconstricted. The smooth muscles in the blood vessels, it is not cardiac muscle, but it is smooth muscles in the wall of the blood vessels. It is vasoconstrictor, while in the coronary arteries it is vasodilator. Because when the heart rate increases, the heart tissue by itself do now more work, and you know, in exercise condition, the muscle need more blood supply. In the same way, when the heart rate increases, the heart at that time also needs more blood supply. That's why for the coronary arteries, that is the artery which gives blood to the heart, these vessels are dilated. Otherwise, in other parts of the body, the blood sympathetic is vasoconstrictor that reduces the caliber or the lumen of the blood and reduces the blood flow to the area. But in the heart, it is like that. In this way, this is all about general anatomy of muscles, and I hope you would understand. Okay, thank you very much.